welcome back to another video. So today I'm gonna show you how to make potato wedges, homemade potato wedges. If you're wondering what all that noise is, it's my mom washing the dishes. Simple ingredients for today is gonna be pepper, garlic powder, paprika, oregano, and some salt that I forgot to take out. Salt. Cheese. This is Parmesan cheese. So the first thing I already did is wash the potatoes. So now what I'm going to do is cut them in, not thin, but you know, slices. I'll show you once I cut it. So they're going to end up looking like this, like little pear-shaped potatoes. Now that you have your potatoes cut up in little wedges, I'm going to take some salt and I'm going to just sprinkle it over the potatoes. Then the next thing I'm going to take is some pepper. Then you're going to take some oregano. Take some paprika. Paprika. Then you're going to take some garlic powder and sprinkle some over that too. Alright, and then the last step is to add some Parmesan cheese. Then you're just gonna mix it all together. And make sure that everything is seasoned. Now your potatoes should look like that. The last ingredient that I forgot to mention is olive oil. And this is the classical extra virgin olive oil. So I'm just gonna drizzle some over that. It gets everywhere. Do I have more cheese? I'm looking for cheese. Cheese. So the next thing that I'm going to show you guys is this air fryer. So we're just going to open up the air fryer. It looks like that inside. He's going to throw the fries in there.
Why are you talking like that? Throw the fries in there.
Because that's what I'm going to do.
Hey, what's wrong?
So it's on the setting of 400 and it's going to be baking for about 18 minutes. And that closes out this video on how I make my potato wedges.
She's lying.
See you guys next
Liar.
time.
I mean.